Hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein, eXp Realty, and I am coming to you live from Titusville again. I am at 1236 Red Bird Court, and look at this, I am like at the beginning of a cul-de-sac, so no through traffic here. First of all, I want to give out a big shout out to Neria Penton, who is the list agent, for allowing me to show this gorgeous home. Was built in 2003. It is 2058 square feet on almost a quarter acre, and it is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Sorry, I had to keep that door closed. They do have a kitty cat and a doggy in here, so wanted to make sure they did not escape. So as we walk in, we have a nice area over here in the front. That would be your formal living room area. And then on the other side, we do have that formal dining room area, which of course has the entranceway into the kitchen there. And we are going to cruise down the hallway. You almost got to see the kitty cat. In fact, its little face is peeking out. So, nice big kitchen. Look at all the cupboard space. Lots of room to move around in there, so we'll just get in a little closer, do a little peek-see. Do have a nice big cupboard area here for a pantry. And it's open out into the living room, which is absolutely amazing. As we all know, when we're doing our cooking and entertaining, it is great to be able to chat with everybody on the other side. And just so you can see that quick peek through into our formal dining room here. And we will continue on through the house. So going into the large living room area, as you can see, plenty of space there for all of your big furniture. And then we will cruise into the master bedroom. We do have sliders in the master to go outside, which is amazing. And we do have a dresser, a desk, a nightstand, huge bed, nice big walk-in closet, plenty of room in there. And into this gorgeous bathroom, we of course do have our little linen closet here. We've got double sinks. We've got our corner tub, and we do have a nice walk-in shower there. And of course, we've got our door on the toilet room there. Everybody loves a door there in the water closet. So back into the master. Again, plenty of space here. Back out into the living room area. We'll take a quick peek while we're here. Huge patio area, runs all the way down to the master side. Nice backyard, all fenced in back there. And then completely other side of the house here, so gorgeous split plan. We've got our guest suite or our children's side, and we do have our bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, and bedroom number 4. Lucky kitty cats here, they've got their own room. Isn't that pretty cool? And bathroom here. Again, nice big area of counter space. And then your tub and shower combo there. And over here, we got a little desk area. Isn't that great for the kids or just to kind of keep your bills out of the way? Back through our living room. And over here, we have our laundry room. So you've got your washer, your dryer, we got a shelf up top there for you. And guys, don't worry, I haven't forgotten you. We are headed to the garage. Well, this is y'all's favorite place to take a look. Plenty of space in here. Obviously moving, so lots of stuff sitting around, but as you can see, plenty of room for your cars and some extra space on the side for workbench, shelving, whatever you need in there. So, quick look back through the living room again. Nice pass through to the kitchen. Some nice built-in shelving here. Nice wide open entranceway. Don't feel crowded at all there. And I will let y'all take a little more of a gander here at our kitchen area while I wrap everything up. So again, I'm at 1236 Redbird Court in Titusville. We are listed at $389,000 here. Again, we're in a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2023 home with 2,058 square feet. And if anybody would like to take a look at this home in person, you can get with me. Again, my name is Margaret Klein, or you can reach out directly to the list agent, Naria Penton. So if you want to see this home, one of us would definitely love to show you. Signing off here in Titusville, Florida. We're in 32780 zip code, and you have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.